Welcome to the deep dive. So, today we are tackling the BellaBelt.
Hmm.
You've probably seen the ads everywhere. It promises this revolutionary fit.
Right, something like 600% more flexibility than a traditional belt, which is a huge claim.
It is. And it gets rid of the holes, the buckle.
Yeah,
It just adapts to your body. It really sounds perfect.
it does.
But our mission today is to unpack this really intense contradiction at its core. Is it a legit, life-changing accessory, or is it a potential trap? Okay, let's unpack this. So if we just look at the belt itself, the physical item,
Mm.
the evidence for it being legit is, well, it's overwhelming.
Oh, absolutely. The product is a winner.
We looked at the consumer feedback, and there are a massive number of reviews on Trustpilot. It's sitting at a nearly perfect 5-star rating.
And we're talking thousands of real people here. They're all reporting that they love this belt, that it actually does what it says it's going to do.
It delivers on that comfort promise.
Exactly. And that popularity is what makes the other side of the story so fascinating. You have thousands of customers saying this belt fits perfectly, but then you have to zoom out from the product and look at the digital platform you actually use to buy it.
Yeah.
What's fascinating here is that the website itself, bellabelt.com, it gets flagged
Flagged by who?
by a security intelligence tool called Scam Advisor. And for anyone who doesn't know, Scam Advisor is it's an automated tool that flags risks. Things like domain anonymity, where the server is, if it has any history.
And what did it say?
It gave BellaBelt.com a distinct cautionary score.
But wait, hold on. If, 90+% of the customers are happy with the actual belt, couldn't Scam Advisor just be overreacting to a new website?
Yeah.
I mean, is the risk really that high?
And that's the tension. That's the whole issue.
Right.
We think this pattern often points to a high-volume, low-infrastructure kind of operation. Think drop shipping.
So the product is fine, but the storefront is maybe not.
Precisely. The product is sourced efficiently, but the e-commerce site is cheap and potentially insecure. The site is only 1 year old, and that lack of history, combined with the other flags, it raises a critical security threat.
What kind of threat?
The official designation is potentially malicious. That means the site could be designed to skim your payment information, or even sell your personal data to third parties. That data risk, that's the real cost here.
So what does this all mean for someone who just wants a comfortable belt?
Well,
We have this real dilemma. The product has proven quality, tons of happy customers.
but the website is a massive question mark when it comes to your digital security. The real tension here is between that perceived value and this hidden digital risk.
And we have to reiterate, your data security is just as important as a comfortable fit for your waistline.
Absolutely. So for you, the listener, here are the actionable takeaways from all this.
Okay.
If you decide you just have to have this belt, that you're going to risk it, do not use a debit card. You need to use a credit card, one with really good proactive fraud protection policies. You need that institutional protection when you're dealing with potential data harvesting.
However, our stronger recommendation, I think, just based on that verified security warning,
And the site's age, yeah.
is to just find a similar flexible belt from a more established retailer you already know and trust.
Yeah.
I mean, why trade comfort for security?
You really shouldn't have to. In this case, it just perfectly highlights the paradox of modern commerce,
Right.
You, as the buyer, have to weigh proven product quality against these unverified hidden digital risks. And ultimately, you have to decide for yourself if a comfortable waist is worth the potential risk to your wallet and your data.
It's something to keep in mind every single time you click Add to Cart.